Orchid have lots of excuses actually, and everything they need is specific. So after pollination, fertilization, that means it's formation of fruits. Fruits means definitely inside they have a seed.
Yeah.
Again, we cannot grow from the seed because orchid seeds are dust particles.
Oh,
It's
so
like
from
a
the
powdery.
root, only
Yeah.
from the root it grows.
Yes, so pods will be mature, but it naturally bursts and seeds are dispersed in the wind. Again, that seeds they need mycorrhiza fungus. Again, they need the right
Oh my
mycorrhiza
God.
fungus. So they meet with the right mycorrhiza fungus. Now it's possible to germinate. So we cannot grow from the seeds.
Yeah.
But people are want to try to germinate for the seeds. Only it can be possible in the laboratory. That is called tissue culture.
Oh.
So you buy from the nursery, you buy a tissue culture plant. Otherwise, hybrid means crossbreed.
Crossbreed. Yeah.
Now look at this one. It looks like a seahorse kind of shape. See?
Yes.
Vanda pumila.
Seahorse shape also.
Look at this color. It's so beautiful. So tiny, but it's so unique. And here we can choose a specific log. These are called tree fern log. This log they easy to retain moisture. That's why inside it's too much humidity. These are Dendrobium transparens.
Yeah.
Now look at this one. Your favorite plant. I think. Have you seen carnivorous plants? These are the pictured plants.
yeah,
You study in the books, no?
Yes.
You study?
Non-veg.
Yeah, non-vegetarian plant. Featured plants, Drosera, and Venus flytrap
Yes.
also there.
Yes, Venus flytrap.
But you know how to they eat insects?
They to close the lid once the
Yeah, we
fly
always
goes.
think like that. No, when I go inside,
Ah.
this lid will be closed.
Ah.
But actually, in this picture plant, lid doesn't close.
Oh,
Inside they have a digestive enzymes.
Acha,
So
that
inside
will
go inside,
melt off.
the never comes out, and this juices they fluid, they digest the insect and slowly is converted into nitrogen. So all the nutrition they supply from this tube. So these are the modification of leaf. So starting it will be closed like that, and once in a open it doesn't close. Yeah.
Acha.
Yes, they're stuck inside because inside they have a fluids is there. Now look at that one, Venus flytrap. But we have a very small, tiny one Venus flytrap. So all these are the Venus flytrap. See, look from close. Only they can immediately trap the insects. Now look at this one. See this flower? So interesting shape is this. How does it look like? Yeah, it's like a fairy or like I don't know. It's all about depending on the imagination. But some fairy kind of shape also there, no?
Yeah, very kind of shape.
Yes.
Yeah.
देखिए अभी ये सारे येलो जो है सारे डांसिंग में जो